The smell of wood smoke dances on the wind, curling and weaving through the trees, as if it carries the very essence of our ancestors' breath. Carrying whispers of ancient stories. These stories, passed down through generations, are etched into the very fabric of our culture, like the intricate carvings on our Waranui. It beckons us closer, inviting us to rediscover the heart of Maori cuisine. The preparation of a Hangi is more than just cooking. It is a ritual, a celebration of community and heritage. This is not just food, it is a connection to our tupuna, to the land, and to our identity as Maori. Each bite is a reminder of our roots, a taste of our history, and a symbol of our unity. For generations, our traditional foods have nourished our bodies and souls. The kumara, harvested with care, and the Hangi, cooked with love, are more than sustenance. They are a testament to our way of life. They tell the story of our people, our resilience, and our deep spiritual connection to Aotearoa, the land of the long white cloud. The haka, the tamoko, and the land itself are all intertwined in this narrative. Join me as we embark on a journey to rediscover the rich tapestry of traditional Maori foods and cooking techniques. Together we will explore the flavors, the stories, and the traditions that have shaped our identity. From the preparation of the Hangi to the sharing of the feast, we will delve into the heart of what it means to be Maori. This journey is not just about food, it is about reconnecting with our past, honoring our ancestors, and preserving our heritage for future generations. So come, let us walk this path together and celebrate the enduring spirit of our people. Imagine a time before supermarkets and convenience stores. Our ancestors thrived on a diet intrinsically linked to nature's rhythms. They fished the abundant waters, gathered the bounty of the forests, and cultivated gardens teeming with life. This deep respect for Papatūānuku, our Earth Mother, and Tangaroa, the god of the sea, is woven into every aspect of Maori cuisine. It's a legacy passed down through generations, a testament to the resourcefulness and wisdom of our tupuna. The ingredients of traditional Maori cuisine are as diverse as the land itself. From the towering forests came the sweet, earthy flavors of piko fern and the delicate taste of kawa leaves. The fertile soils provided a rich harvest of kumara, taro, and yams, and from the ocean's depths came an abundance of seafood, snapper, tuna, crayfish, and shellfish. These ingredients, gifts from Papatūānuku and Tangaroa, were prepared with reverence and skill, their natural flavors enhanced by traditional cooking methods. One of the most iconic methods of traditional Maori cooking is the Hangi. This ancient culinary technique has been passed down through generations, preserving the rich cultural heritage of the Maori people. The Hangi is not just about cooking food, it is a deeply spiritual and communal experience that connects the Maori to their ancestors and the land. This ancient technique involves slow cooking food in an earth oven. The process begins with the careful selection of stones which are heated until they are red hot. These stones are then placed in a pit dug into the earth, creating a natural oven that harnesses the power of geothermal energy. Imagine a pit dug into the earth, hot stones radiating intense heat. Baskets laden with meats, seafood, vegetables, and traditional Maori stuffing are carefully prepared. The food is meticulously arranged in these baskets to ensure even cooking and maximum flavor infusion. These baskets are then carefully lowered into the pit, a process that requires skill and precision. The placement of the food is crucial, as it determines how well the heat will circulate and cook the contents. Once the food is in place, the pit is covered with layers of cloth and earth. This creates an airtight seal that traps the heat and steam, allowing the food to cook slowly and evenly over several hours. The Hangi cooking process is a test of patience and tradition. As the hours pass, the flavors meld together and the food absorbs the smoky essence of the earth and stones. The anticipation builds as the community waits for the feast to be ready. The result is food infused with a unique smoky flavor and melt-in-your-mouth tenderness. Each bite is a testament to the time-honored techniques and the natural elements that make Hangi so special. More than just a cooking method, the Hangi is a social occasion, bringing communities together in a celebration of food, family, and tradition. It is a time for storytelling, laughter, and bonding, as the shared meal becomes a symbol of unity and cultural pride. The Hangi is a living tradition, a bridge between the past and the present, and a reminder of the enduring spirit of the Maori people. Nourishing body and soul, the wisdom of traditional Maori kai. Our traditional kai, or food, is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. The emphasis on fresh, whole ingredients combined with minimal processing resulted in a diet naturally rich in vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients. This focus on natural, unprocessed food contributed to the overall health and well-being of our ancestors. In rediscovering these traditional foods, we tap into a wealth of culinary wisdom that can benefit our health today. Voices from the past, inspiration for the future. The legacy of traditional Maori cuisine is kept alive by the stories and teachings passed down through generations. I remember my grandmother talking about the importance of using every part of an ingredient, wasting nothing. She would often say, "The earth provides everything we need, it's our responsibility to use it wisely." These words continue to inspire me in my own culinary journey, reminding me of the importance of sustainability and respect for our ingredients. Rediscovering the flavors of home. Rediscovering traditional Maori foods is about so much more than just following recipes. It's about reconnecting with our heritage, understanding the stories behind each dish, and appreciating the deep connection between food, culture, and identity. It's a journey of rediscovering the flavors of home, of remembering who we are and where we come from, and it's a journey that I invite you to embark on with me. Embracing sustainability, a legacy for future generations. Sustainability is not a new concept in Maori culture. Our ancestors lived in harmony with nature, taking only what they needed and ensuring the land's bounty for future generations. This philosophy of kaitiakitanga, or guardianship, is more important than ever today. By embracing traditional Maori foods and cooking practices, we can reduce our environmental impact, support local food systems, and contribute to a more sustainable future. Sharing the Aroha Maori cuisine as a bridge between cultures. Food has the power to bring people together, to break down barriers, and to foster understanding. Sharing traditional Maori cuisine is an act of aroha, of love and generosity. It's an opportunity to share our culture with the world, to invite others to experience the unique flavors and traditions that make Maori cuisine so special. A call to action, reclaiming our culinary heritage. Rediscovering traditional Maori foods and cooking techniques is not just a culinary adventure, it's a cultural imperative. It's about reclaiming our heritage, honoring our ancestors, and ensuring that these traditions continue to thrive for generations to come. I urge you to seek out Maori chefs, learn about traditional ingredients, and try your hand at preparing these dishes. Let the flavors transport you to another time and place, and let the experience ignite a passion for preserving this rich culinary heritage. Conclusion: the enduring legacy of Maori cuisine. The journey of rediscovering traditional Maori foods and cooking techniques is a deeply personal and profoundly rewarding one. It is a journey that takes us back to the roots of our ancestors, to the very essence of what it means to be Maori. Each dish, each ingredient, tells a story of our heritage, our struggles, and our triumphs. The traditional methods of cooking, such as the Hangi, are not just about preparing food. They are about bringing people together, about community, and about sharing in the bounty of the land. It's a journey of connecting with our past, celebrating our present, and shaping our future. By embracing these traditional foods and cooking techniques, we are not only preserving our culture, but also ensuring that it continues to thrive in the modern world. Young Maori chefs are now blending traditional methods with contemporary culinary practices, creating dishes that honor our heritage while also appealing to modern tastes. This fusion of old and new is a testament to the enduring legacy of Maori cuisine. As we continue to explore the rich tapestry of Maori cuisine, let us do so with open hearts, a spirit of adventure, and a deep respect for the traditions that have nourished our people for centuries. Let us remember that every meal is an opportunity to connect with our ancestors, to learn from their wisdom, and to pass on their knowledge to future generations. The act of foraging for native ingredients, the careful preparation of each dish, and the communal sharing of meals are all integral parts of our cultural identity. The legacy of Maori cuisine is a gift to be cherished, shared, and passed on to future generations. It is a living tradition that evolves with each generation, yet remains rooted in the values and practices of our ancestors. By continuing to honor and celebrate this legacy, we ensure that the rich flavors, the stories, and the spirit of Maori cuisine will endure for many years to come. Let us take pride in our culinary heritage and continue to share it with the world, one meal at a time.